I mean, you're Miss Bronzer class. I'm sitting in the corner.
Huh?
I'm sitting in the corner.
Connor?
I'm daddy.
Yeah, I don't think this is funny. Who is this?
Derek. Come on, I'm Derek. I'm sitting in the corner.
I see you.
Daddy. Come on, you know Terry.
Terry?
Yeah, Terry. Terry.
Yes, I know Terry, yes.
Yeah, I always look at you.
Orange stuff.
Fuck you.
You know, I always look at you.
And I want to fuck you.
What?
I always look at you in the class.
Okay, whoever you are, this is not really funny at all. So you just tell me who you are.
Hello. Who are you? For real, you wanna hear my name?
I saw you as Bouncy.
Okay, I'm Terry.
Oh, very funny. Okay, I don't think it's that funny at all.
Because you are dumb.
Because you dumb, you don't get a drink.
You shut up.
You shut up.
Okay? Whoever you are, I don't really care. So I think this is turn off at your side.
Ah.